Mark Beckwith and Tuba Heatherton bring you an interactive music concert made just for TK through second grade.
Aloha, salam, pull the weeds, plant the seeds.
These veteran performers sing and play various instruments, sharing fun, original songs all about nature, and your students will love joining in.
And on his farm he had Tyrannosaurus Rex. The prettiest tree.
The prettiest tree
that you ever did see.
that you ever did see.
With backgrounds from Razzle Bam Boom, Ringling Brothers, and even Disneyland, Mark and Tuba have wowed thousands of kids across Southern California.
Louisiana, down in the Ohio. Okay, now shake your feet.
It's music, movement, and smiles, all in one unforgettable show.
Slipped out, slipped and fell right on my face. Ew, blood. Get ready. I better wash my knees. Wash your knees. Wash my toes.
Wash my